Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change profile name Alibaba application on computer. So how to change profile name Alibaba application on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Alibaba application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Alibaba. Just move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are many choices. Tap the profile icon. Here a scrolling menu will appear like this. And then tap the account menu. Many menu options will appear like this. Tap My Profile menu. Here your profile menu will appear. Tap Edit here. And then the Edit menu or Input menu to change your profile will appear. Type here to change the first name and last name on your Alibaba application profile. After you finish changing it. Once finished, tap Submit. So that's it, tutorial how to change profile name Alibaba application on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.